Master the art of writing cover letter introductions. Hello learners, and welcome back. Today, we're focusing on a key part of any job application process: the cover letter. More specifically, we're diving into the first section of your cover letter, the introduction paragraph. The introduction is where you grab the reader's attention and set the tone for the rest of your letter. So let's get started and learn how to make a strong first impression. The introduction paragraph of your cover letter is crucial because it sets the stage for the entire letter. It's your first opportunity to introduce yourself and express your interest in the job. A well-crafted introduction can pique the reader's interest and make them want to read more. Your introduction should clearly state who you are, the job you're applying for, how you heard about the job. Now, let's discuss how to write this important paragraph. Begin with a professional greeting. Start your letter with a professional greeting, like, "Dear hiring manager," or "Dear name." It's always better to personalize this if you know who will be reading your letter. Introduce yourself and your intent. In your first sentence, briefly introduce yourself and state the position you're applying for. Express enthusiasm. Next, express your enthusiasm for the role. Show them why you're excited about the opportunity. Provide a hint of what's to come. Towards the end of your introduction, hint at what you'll discuss in the body of your cover letter. This can intrigue the reader and prompt them to continue reading. Here is an example. Dear hiring manager, I'm Alex Smith, a seasoned project manager with 5+ years in the tech industry. I was thrilled to see the opening for the senior project manager position on your website, as I've long admired your company's innovative approach to software solutions. With my experience in leading diverse teams and delivering successful projects, I'm confident I could make a valuable addition to your team. Finally, let's touch on some common mistakes you should avoid in your introduction. Avoid being generic. Try to avoid generic statements that could apply to any candidate. Be specific about your skills or experiences that make you a unique fit for the job. Don't overshare. Remember, the introduction is just a teaser of what's to come. Don't give away all your points here. Save some for the main body of your cover letter. And there you have it. That's the rundown on crafting a compelling introduction for your cover letter. Remember, your introduction is your chance to make a memorable first impression, so be sure to make it count. We hope this has been helpful and we wish you all the best in your job applications. Until next time, happy writing!